Okay, Brian, so let's start right away with this door. So now, one of the things we've gotten used to in van life is a sliding of a slider door. This is something different altogether, and it looks pretty sturdy.
One of the criteria we had for this entrance door is that it was to be thick and well insulated. As you can see here, it is just as thick as the sidewall itself, and it is full insulated core in there. So there is no less insulation value with this entrance door.
I like how it's just very utilitarian, very rugged, and just functional. And it's got auto steps.
Yes, electric steps that extend when the door is opened and retract when the door is closed. Or if you're camping, you can leave them extended. This is a standard exterior storage compartment, but we have an optional exterior kitchen, which is stored in this compartment here.
Fantastic.
Cooktop is propane. Then you have a flexible water faucet there.
And is it hot and cold?
It's hot and cold, yes. We have this collapsible sink basin that, when collapsed, can be used as a prep surface or a cutting board. But if you need a sink, you can extend it out.
Oh, very nice.
Nice.
And now you have a sink or a wash basin. Below the cooktop, we have a cooler style refrigerator and freezer. And then also on the side here, there are some hooks here to hang.
Oh yeah, utensils.
Utensils, garbage bag, a towel. We have a television output with a 12-volt power source and two 110-volt outlets. The EKKO has dual pane acrylic windows.
We're very excited about that.
It's the quietest and best insulated.
This is a tankless water heater, which means that you will get continuous hot water.
So you don't have to wait so long for the tank to heat up.
So, longer showers is what I'm hearing.
The EKKO features a rear side-to-side full-width gear garage.
Yes.
This gear garage was designed to hold 2 bicycles or any other gear that you may have.
Well, if it's about 7 feet long, you could put skis in there, or fishing poles.
In each of the 4 corners, we have full-width L-tracks with loops on there.
This compartment is heated, right?
This compartment is heated, yes.
So it's also then insulated, I'm
Yep,
guessing.
it is insulated. All the walls are the same thickness.
I'm seeing we've got electrical 12 volt and 110 volt. Is that on? It's on both sides.
That is on both sides, located near each door. And then you also have a light with an individual switch, so you can turn it on and off.
Thank you. So you don't have to go hunting for a switch to find something back here in the back.
We have our water and water service center. As you can see, the water center and the winterization valves and the city water hookups, your exterior shower, and your gravity fill are all at a convenient to use height.
So let's talk about the batwing awning. It's so unique and different.
It rotates 270 degrees, so it covers the driver's side as well as the back wall. It greatly expands your exterior outdoor livability.
Does it fully cover that door?
Yes, it does.
So if you're loading stuff.
If you're loading stuff and it happens to be raining. Oh, and they don't intersect. Okay, cool. Okay, can we go look around inside now?
Sure. If you have any questions, just let me know.
Right on.
Inside, yes. You know, the first thing that I notice when I come in is I just love these little red accents here.
And I noticed that there's more room than like we would have in our Travato to get by each other here.
Definitely.
This makes a whole bed.
Yes.
So we've got...
Or a table.
Or a nightstand. Okay. So this is 2 separate pieces. Put the whole thing down and you've got like a ginormous kind of bed area back here.
Yeah. So then this is a huge bed.
The other thing we got to be sure to mention back here are the windows. They open, it's like an awning. It opens all the way.
There we go.
There we go. So, and then like the other ones, ooh.
That clicks down. Ooh.
I kind of like that. And then of course we've got the privacy shade on the other side. Close it up like that for privacy or sleeping. Storage underneath these beds as well. We got to show that.
So first off is these nice cabinets, or these drawers right here. This drawer pulls way out. That's pretty deep. And there's 2 of those. There's one on each side.
But then we've also got these wardrobe cabinets here.
Yeah. This pulls up pretty easily.
So drawer, this is the drawer that you were just showing. And oh, look, it's the tank. So it wraps around this bed area.
Even kind of a narrow area to store stuff too,
Yeah,
right there.
You could put your masks in.
Right.
Okay, and then that's a wardrobe you could hang things in there, and that's pretty deep. It's like 20-something inches deep. We have that same storage repeated on this side.
One thing different on this side.
Oh, we got more storage over
You
here.
get one extra. It's not a pass-through though to the garage. The garage it would be down there, but there is no pass-through. I wonder if you could bump through that.
I don't know. Bye.
Separation of space is something that we really wanted too. So James can work up front, and I could maybe be working back here. So it's nice that it has that separation. All right. Well, first thing I've noticed that's unique is this lighting. these unique lights right here, and then even along the ceiling, there's accent lighting too.
Okay, I'm jumping right to the fridge.
Oh yes.
This is pretty big.
And let's see, the freezer is completely enclosed and separate.
This is a compressor-driven model, which is good.
I like how it's higher up, so you're not having to duck down. A lot of vans have fridges that are low. So it's a 2-burner cooktop. It's a propane cooktop. And let's see, I like this sink that it's up higher, and it even has a pull-out extension. And let's see, the sink cover can either be extra countertop if you just leave it like that, or let's see.
It's like a bamboo kind of cutting board thing.
Okay. This cabinet, oh, this is deep. It goes all the way to the wall.
I actually have got a light so we can actually see in here. All the way back to the exterior wall, there we've got a water filter for drinking water.
We've got two drawers here. Let's see. Oh, that one doesn't go all the way back, so it's kind of a narrower drawer. Interesting. Utensils, maybe.
Yeah.
And this one is deeper. It goes further back.
They're quite a bit up. You notice they're kind of up high, but that is because of that exterior kitchen that's on the outside.
All this space right here, or storage, depending on which. Another cabinet right here, and this one, oh, it's got those magnets on the side.
Magnet latches, I like it.
Yeah, and it goes all the way to the wall as well. So nice big cabinet, maybe for pantry items.
Here we have a microwave. Now this is just a regular microwave. It's not convection.
Okay.
But it's pretty decent size. There's this one little cabinet here.
Yeah. The shelves you can adjust wherever you want, so that's pretty nice.
Are we ready for dudes in bathrooms?
Yes, I'll step out of the way and you give the tour of the bathroom. How about that?
All right, here we go. The first thing I'm noticing is that it's got the feel, very much so, of a regular dry bath. It doesn't feel like it's also a shower. That's the cool thing that they've done with this pivoting thing. But before we pivot it, so we've got a vanity mirror, we've got sink, lavatory, whatever, coat hook. We have a medicine cabinet over here. Nice. And we have a little window in the bathroom, which is nice. And then now this, I think, is the reason why there's a cassette toilet in this plan. And that's because this head swivels. So you can pivot it this way, and then you're not bumping up with your knees right against the wall. You've got a little more room here to give yourself while you're on the commode. The big thing about this floor plan in the bathroom is this. These magnets over, and then you flip this whole wall over, and now it feels pretty much like just a shower. There is a curtain, a shower curtain in here, and it is on a track, so you don't get the door wet. The fixture for the shower is right back here, kind of tucked into the corner, so it's not taking up extra space. And that fits back there even when the shower is pivoted around. A couple hooks here on this on the back side of this. They're put in such a way that when the shower curtain is drawn, you won't get your towel wet while you're showering.
I think that shower is just so clever, the way that the whole wall just kind of pivots. So up to the dinette area, the work area.
And what do I need to work? So I need a light. I've got a light. I need power. I've got 110 volt outlets there, and then USB and 12 volt.
Yep.
Also right there.
Yep.
So I've got that.
The Lagoon table is adjustable up and down.
But right now it's at a height to where it would actually be useful.
As
A countertop extension. So these are seats with actual 3-point seat belts.
Yes. So these are automotive grade seats. So they're going to be super safe, and they're more beefy than normal.
I'm feeling a little tether down there, a low point for this child seat.
Yeah, that is a really nice feature too for car seats.
So this is a quilted, reflectorized, thermal curtain to kind of seal off the whole cab.
All right, so
So if it's the winter, you could just block that off It can get as cold as it wants up there. You don't care because you're warm back here. It reduces the amount of space that you have to heat and cool. It's just a great idea, but you can still get in there if you lift your keys up there or your wallet or something.
I like that they added that zipper in the middle. All right, you have Adam. You go for it, and I'll take this down while you're doing that.
Okay. This is the control panel for the Truma Vario heat, as well as the AquaGo. They'll both be controlled from this panel. Since the air conditioner is ducted, which is awesome, you don't have a thermostat in those little colder, hotter knobs on the air conditioner itself. You're going to control the air conditioner from right here. So this top panel here is the control panel for the inverter that we saw outside. We have the solar charge controller. It's a 30 amp, and we've got a generator start stop, I'm assuming. Stop. Oh, hey, the air's on. Notice the not hurricane-like sound that you're not hearing. This is why ducted air is such a big deal for us. I want you to hear this. This is the sound of the air on. Okay, but now back to this panel. We've also got battery levels and the water pump. And we've got some other switches here. The switches for the steps, the awning light, main battery cutoff, and some light switches. And then notice here we've got some of these ducts. This would be for the Vario heat. All right, let's find Brian. Brian, is there anything else that maybe I didn't ask that you want to point out?
The Transit chassis has their 8-inch touchscreen with the Sync 3 that also includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also includes an integrated trailer brake controller. So if you do pull a trailer that requires trailer brakes, you don't have to add an aftermarket trailer brake controller.
Well, I noticed some keys in there on the dash. Can we take this one with us?
You have to wait just a little bit longer.
Well, we're having a hard time waiting, but we can't wait to get ours. We are so excited for this coach. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye.